Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm James. I am your host. This is my trusted sidekick, Tati.
Did you forget who I am?
No.
This is my... Pause. This is your wife.
You're my trusted sidekick. So I'm going to be doing a PR box.
Trusted sidekick? What?
Sidekick. You know what? I'm curious of something. I want to know how long it has actually been. January 23rd. You and I have not
January 2023. January 2023. The 23rd.
Yeah. We will, this is from...
I'm your trusty psychic.
What is it?
Skincare.
Oh, really? What's the giveaway? The fact that it says skin supervision? And for anybody worried about us showing an address, well, it's a PR box. So we're good. You got these.
I mean, it's like a PO box. Of course,
it's a PR box. But it's like a UPS store.
Ah, this is Tape Talks. Sweet. They have heart-shaped tape. Oh, yes. Get down with that. Let's give it up for James being here today because we have had a worst day with a lot of things happening and there was a storm. I thought he was dead because it literally started raining sideways and he's like, there's flooding on the road and there's like flash flood warnings and he was not home and it was taking too long. And so clearly you were dead already.
Yeah. Literally the first thing she does, I pull up and she opens the door. She's like, I thought you were dead. I had my shoes by the shower.
A little bit dramatic, but it has been a high stress day.
I think this is nail polish.
Wow. We love a little Holo Taco. The Holo Taco Rock Candy Collection. Beautiful. Oh, 30 red cushion. Yes, give this to me. Oh my gosh, they sent me more.
Well, I saw an email. They have expanded their line even further. So now they have like 30 shades.
Tier is legitimately the most incredible foundation. I know there's so much hype, but it is worth it. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're like little babies. That is so great for touch up on the go. Huda, the Bombshell Lip Duo. Yes. Easy Bake. The Oda Park. I am so happy about this, you guys. I love this powder so much. I'm wearing it today. I use it despite the fact that the fragrance burns my eyeballs. I like the powder that much. They finally made a fragrance-free version. Ugh, so excited. Pink packaging, I'm sensing.
Who do you think it is?
It's Lawless, definitely.
No. How did you know?
Okay, we have the Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Perfecting Cream. We also have an Overnight Plumping Mask. And then we have the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss in many colors. Okay, this is the new Lowlighter Blurring Balm Powder. I'm excited for this. I saw this one and saved it, marked it, was like, I need to buy that myself, but I'm so excited that this was sent to me. We have Incognito, we have Off the Grid, we have Unbothered, and then what is this one? Low Key. I'm gonna go into Unbothered.
Don't use a heavy hand. You know what happens when you use a heavy hand with blush.
We're going to dinner. Oh my gosh. If you guys only knew, there are videos I had to refilm because...
You look like the bride of Chucky.
Stop that right now. My monitor does not give true colors. So sometimes I'm like, it's just not showing up. And I will then look at the footage and be like, oh my gosh, I am the doll Annabelle. I am the Nutcracker. I am the bride of Chucky. Like, what is happening? The blush trend has gone too far. Oh my goodness.
Be careful.
That's nice. Oh yeah, I can get down with that. We're going to dinner after this, and I don't want to look too makeup-y. Shh. I think that's gorgeous.
It is.
That is so nice.
Are you ready for something different? It's a fragrance. Who's it by? Who recently got into fragrance?
Charlotte Tilbury.
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh my gosh, for real? Which one did I get? Calm Bliss. Let's see here.
That's exactly what you need.
You know what, James? This is a weapon.
It looks like it.
Stand back. It's not my normal go-to, but there's something pleasant about it. It's oceany.
Okay, you got something from Tatcha?
Tatcha, yes.
And more from Tatcha.
More from Tatcha. Oh, Tatcha has lip stuff now, you guys. Did you know? Ooh, look at that packaging. Yes, it's heavy. It feels luxurious. Look at that beautiful sheen. This is like luxury elevated. I feel like my hand looks expensive.
This is very generous because there's a lot there, but I feel like you have all of it already.
I smell a giveaway coming soon because I do have this palette, I believe. I don't think I have these colors in the foils. Is this new?
I think that's the one that you already have.
This is a beautiful palette though. Let's just ooh and ah. Ah, it is gorgeous. Love it. An investment palette, but it is definitely special. I will be giving this away.
What's it called?
This is the Lightwork palette from Denessa Myricks, the I Am palette. I got some foils. Let's go into this green really quick, just because we need the satisfaction of a swatch. I'm feeling that, right? What? You're laughing?
No, I make a funny face every time you pick up the scissors.
I'm not that accident prone.
You literally said ow running your fingers through your hair today.
Earlier today, I was in the living room. We were having a full conversation about everything that was kind of going wrong. And I looked at James and I went, I feel crazy. And he's like, you know what? That would be like one of those IG remixes that would be so good. You know, like the I need a guy who's 6'5".
I'm looking for a man in finance. Trust fund. 6'5", blue eyes.
You did the whole thing.
Yeah.
Add music.
I feel crazy. I feel crazy.
Everything's going wrong.
What else could go wrong? I
For a
feel
rap superstar.
crazy.
This is really pretty.
Yeah. Here's Orpheus.
This is stem cell science. I'm so excited for this. I've tried their products before, but to be sent like the full lineup, oh my gosh, get out. Look how beautiful this packaging is too. It's like heavy. It's like very pretty.
You got some more Lawless. Dun 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 dun. Breaking the law, breaking the law.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Blush, anybody? This is their cream blush. I have been waiting for this because I love Lawless blushes so much and I'm just really excited that they now have a cream formulation. I was gonna order these. I'm so excited. Oh, this just made my mood better. Look how pretty that is. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, smooths on like satin. I am excited. Cake truffles. Oh my gosh, I got sent truffles. Thank you to Grande Cosmetics. You're gonna eat it?
It's a gold leaf truffle. Let's
All right, try it and tell me how it is.
You know what it tastes like?
Huh.
Oh, wow. Do you remember when your mom used to make Duncan Hines fudge brownies? Do you remember when you would lick the bowl?
Oh, yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
Ooh, that's good. All right, so I got sent the Grande Mascara Brown Conditioning Peptide Mascara, hence the truffles. Ooh, I love this mascara now that they have it in brown. Oh, so good.
It's a micro infusion 3-month bundle.
That looks intense. Micro infusion system. What? What is this? Micro needling at home? Get out. I'm into it. I will be trying this. I will let you guys know. Oh my gosh, sexy packaging. Soft spot. This is why I'm not sleeping at night. James has the sniffles, which equals snoring. We are that couple that are sleeping in separate bedrooms at the moment.
Oh, come on.
It smells so good.
I volunteered.
Men and snoring. Oh my gosh. Half the time I want to video you, half the time I want to cry. Sometimes a cold foot will get you to stop. Sometimes just touching you will get you to stop. But then I have to fall asleep within 30 seconds and it's like a thing.
So she usually tells me, she's like, we roll over. I get that in my conscious mind, but my unconscious, my subconscious sleeping mind, I think is she just wants to have all the bed and how dare she should roll over.
Are you serious?
So last night, apparently, she was like, baby, we roll over. And I'm like, you should go over there.
Like, I don't know what that means, but.
And then I realized what I said and I woke up and I'm like, listen, babe, I'm going to go sleep in the guest bedroom. I want you to be able to sleep. I'm not mad. I'm completely cool. I hope you're not mad at me, but I do want you to rest. So yes, I went to another room last night.
And then I had abandonment issues. So it was like a whole thing.
Can't win for losing.
It smells nice.
It does.
That smells really good. Pacifica, we have the coconut milk detangle elixir. This will come in hand because I don't have a detangler at the moment. Thank you to Pacifica.
It's cat rice.
I already love this. I already love this so much. It is so good. And I need to try these blushes. And below we have shadow. All right, there's a lot going on in here. I definitely need to dig in, but this palette up top is already.
Check it out. There's more.
So, there's more. Okay, we've got some lip things, under eye correctors that are fabulous. I've tried those.
This is a really awesome PR box.
Yes.
I mean, it's not that big. It's big, but there's like a lot of power packed
Well
into
done.
it.
Well done.
Great job, Catrice. I know your name is Catrice.
Ciate. All right, Ciate. We have a watermelon burst setting spray. Let's try that. I like it. Odin's Eye. This has become one of my favorite indie brands. I love their new single shadows. Shout out to the shades, Matthew and Lily. They're individual shadows you can purchase. Everyone's asking me which ones I use the most. Those two. Are these more singles?
It looks like a ton of singles.
All right. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to get in here and play. Look at this baked blush swirls baked goodness. Yum. Ooh, I didn't show this. I have the new Sigma Cool Neutrals, and I love Sigma shadows so much. Underrated, high performance, love it. This one I have been eyeing, so I am so grateful to receive this. I still believe I am a soft summer. I want to go and get my colors professionally done, but for a soft summer, these are kind of like cool tones, are really beautiful. Love it. Ooh, and some brushes. I really love Sigma brushes as well. I think for the money, you get a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, this I will so get down with. Now, LYS, their contour cream stick is phenomenal. Did not get on with the blush, but now they have a highlight. That is a delicious texture. That is a summertime, like, dream. Use it on the body, use it on the face. I will be testing that one out ASAP. Ooh, lashes. I'm very excited for this. I love Theur Lashes. They make my very favorite lash glue.
It's a new era.
Is it?
For false lashes. This seems like a lot of work.
But it looks so good.
Does it?
It's kind of like a learning curve, but I like it. Do you like lashes or no?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I don't like it when they're too big.
How do you feel about highlighter?
Why wouldn't I like highlighter?
Like in real life, it doesn't make the texture look weird or anything.
I don't care. What I care about is if you are happy and you feel pretty. And if you feel pretty and you're happy, then you're going to look beautiful to me. So,
Thank you.
Laneige.
Laneige.
Ooh, how about that?
Love it, love it. Every flavor. Berry, gummy bear, sweet candy, vanilla, mango, blueberry. Let's put on some sweet candy right now.
It smells nice.
You smell my mouth.
Well, I knew that it was scented. If I kiss you, I'm going to get that on my lips. Do you really want me to do that right now? Mm-hmm. Okay. Wavy Talk.
Wavy Talk. What's different about this?
I don't know. It's a
For
heated round brush.
super smoothing curls and volumizing your hair. I love the Wavy Talk. Ooh, purple.
Ooh, you have something?
It's more blush because we are still thirsty for blush. We all want to just drench ourselves in blush. This is from House Labs. I am excited because this kind of a blush, let me share with you, you can use on the face, but these are so good to use on the lips as well. This style, the component, I love, love, love. When I saw these online, I was like, yes, please, this will be a favorite. I never go directly on the face. I always go brush, face, and then dreamy formula, the right amount of color. I am all about this.
Bay Harbor Beauty, a woman-owned cruelty-free business based in Texas, is committed to creating potent anti-aging skincare that delivers on its promises. This is a letter from the founder. It's called Bay Harbor Beauty.
Bay Harbor Beauty Silky Smooth Body Butter, Nourishing Body Cream. Texture is nice and whipped. Does it smell like anything?
It smells like body oil.
Yeah, this has like
It's not overly fragranced.
Subtle scent to it that's very warm and like brown sugary. Really nice. Thank you so much.
Galactic.
Sweet. They sent me their Jello Gloss Balm. I love these. Are these new colors?
Hope you love the new shades.
Yes, the new shades, because these jelly gloss balms were some of my favorites when the whole craze over gloss balms started. These were like amazing. What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, you guys. I'm on the Anastasia PR list again. Get out. Oh. Wait, did I order this? I may have ordered this.
Yeah, you're not on the PR
Dang
list.
it!
I ordered that from your TikTok shop. Remember when you were doing...
Because you guys, this is like my favorite lip liner. It is so good. Dusty Rose is so... Shut up, James.
No, this is our
joke.
joke.
What? This is terrible.
This is our
end
joke.
This video with me being so excited to be on the AVH PR list. And I'm like, no.
No, our joke is like 30 years from now when like, you know, all of this is over and everything. I'm going to have to go shopping for her and like order a bunch of stuff to be delivered and so she could pretend like she's opening PR.
You know what?
That was the first.
Accept.
That was the first.
All right. Dang it. Well, it's good. I'm excited.
Yeah,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope you enjoyed this throwback video that you have requested repeatedly to see the wonderful James. If you did enjoy this and James being here, please thumbs up the video, share it, leave a comment, subscribe, ring the bell, turn on your notifications, know that I love you so much, and go and have a great day.
Yeah, all of that. Yeah. And kisses too. See you guys.
Bye, guys.
Mwah.